What's up, everybody? Dakota here. I got my nephew on the back of the bike right now. I'm taking him over to meet his dad because he has school tomorrow and we got stoppage going on. Oh, yellow line. Last couple of days I've been kind of sick. Started getting sick on like Friday or so, and Saturday I had to make a 10-hour trip back and forth from Savannah, Georgia to where I live. It's like a 4.5 hours down, 4.5 back, something like that. But if this is as sick as I get this year, I ain't complaining, because this is not that bad. I'm just congested, and I wake up with like a, not a sore throat, but like a throat. I don't know if you get that, but oh, you took the trash out. So I got him on the back and it's like 55 degrees out, and I told him, I was like, I hope you have something more to wear than just that. And he's like, I wish I did. I gave him like a windbreaker jacket to go over the jacket that he has, and I'm wearing my like windbreaker jacket that I have. It actually helps out a lot. If you don't have any cold weather riding gear and you got like a windbreaker like this that you can just throw over your normal riding jacket, and you want to ride and it's kind of cold out, not like too cold, 55 isn't like too bad, but the wind really gets you, just throw that over you. It'll help out. Yeehaw. I can't hardly breathe through my nose, so my visor keeps fogging up because I'm having to mouth breathe right now. I hate mouth breathing. Hate it. Okay, I got it. I thought I forgot my wallet again. If you guys just realize how many times I do that in a year, I'm gonna have to say one thing. Like, I don't know if you guys ever take passengers with you on your bike, especially if you own an mt07. It's not something that's easy to do most of the time, but this kid, he knows how to ride. He's just back there and he hangs on and he leans with the bike, you know. He leans when I lean. I don't never mind taking him on the back of the bike because it's almost like he's not even there, and I like that. It's always fun having somebody riding with you too. Usually I have my Sena headset hooked up to my wife's headset so he can talk to me, but I forget to charge them, so it's kind of not happening today. I told him I wouldn't ride the interstate because I wasn't gonna put us through that torture with all that wind blowing on us. It's a nice day to just get out and ride on the back roads like this. Oh, by the way, have you guys seen Ford versus Ferrari? Rented it from Redbox last night, and that was a great movie. A real good movie. I loved it. 10 out of 10. Would watch again. You alright back there? Hey, you alright back there? But yeah, that's like a golden era of automotive racing. It was sad because we did lose a lot of people. It was a good movie. Really worth that Oscar that it won. I need to look at my mileage. I think it's about time for an oil change on this bike. I think Chase comes out with a new video tomorrow with the Ducati. Can't wait to see that. I supported him on Patreon for it. Not much, but I put, you know, what I could. It looks really dark out right now. I really hope it just holds off on the rain till I get back. Huh. Guys, something's wrong with my bike. It's not blinking. That's weird. I'm gonna check that when I get home. My turn signals ain't showing up that they're blinking. That's the thing, like, I didn't have to splice into any wires with that. That shouldn't do that. My running light's on. I got a headlight. My turn signals ain't though. Maybe they just came unplugged. I'm gonna check my rear tail light too to see if that is working. Ha ha ha. Don't make any sense. See ya. It don't make any sense. Like, I don't know. Huh. That's working. That's working. Huh. Well, that's not no good. I don't like that whatsoever. They were just working fine yesterday. And they were working earlier too, when I was riding, I think. I'll have to go back on the video and check it out. Huh. I don't understand that. Like, nothing at all. And I don't know. Maybe it's a fuse. Maybe it's the relay. I can check the relay. I think yeah, I still have the other relay. It just blinked faster. Huh. That's weird. Maybe the relay came out or popped out or something. I'll have to check it out. Oh well. That relay might have popped out or something. I'll take a look at it when I get home. Anywho, now that we got him gone, take the interstate this time. I can't believe this. That kind of upsets me. I guess I feel like until I get to figure out if that was user error or installation error, I can't say whether or not, you know, that's a bad product from TST. Let's check it out when we get home and go from there. I don't get it though. I think it's the relay. It's bugging my mind because it ain't working, and I don't like it when my stuff don't work. But I believe it's the relay. I'm about 100% positive it's the relay. I don't know if that means that the relay went out, or if I did not install it good enough, or if I didn't push down on it good enough, maybe it vibrated out. We'll have to check it out. I've got a headlight, I've got a tail light. I didn't think to check my brake light. I probably should have done that. All I can think of is it being that relay. Maybe I dropped it and it fell off the bike or something. That would have been my fault. Luckily, I have the regular relay, which makes the bike, makes the turn signals flash faster than I'd like it to. But it's better than not having turn signals at all. And I can just buy another relay, I guess. Put it in the right way this time. All I can think about all day, yesterday, and today. I want to ride. I want to ride. I want to ride. I've been looking at Instagram photos of dirt bikes and supermotos. Dirt bikes turned to supermotos. Man, it's not even that I want to ride my bike. I want to go get a dirt bike and ride, but you know, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Got to get that house done first. Then my next toy. Thought I wanted a Grom, and I think those would be fun, especially to teach my wife how to ride, but I don't know. That was close. That was kind of close. And we got a runway. Yay! Hello. If that relay burnt out on me, we're gonna have a little talk with TST, see if they can spot me another one, because I've only rode the bike maybe 5 times, and that should work longer than that. I need to get out here and fix that traffic light up there. It's turned sideways. Where you going, dude? Oh, he's turning right. It goes around the world just la 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 la. I hate not having a blinker. It just don't feel natural. Not natural at all. We're gonna get a light. Hey, we got a light. I'm going to finish this video off. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe, all that stuff. See ya.